Hello viewers, welcome once again to online teaching series. Now today we are going to take a look at very simple problem. We said from the equation below, here we have an equation here. From the equation below, explain the species that undergoes the process of oxidation and the one that undergoes the process of reduction. Hence, state the oxidizing and reducing agent. Now let's quickly go. Now if we take a look at the reaction here, solution. Please permit me, let me bring down the equation once more down. And from the equation, we have that hydrogen sulfide H2X reacted with iron 3 chloride 2FeCl3. And the product we have there is iron 2 chloride FeCl2. We have hydrogen chloride HCl2 plus sulfur. Now, what we have here is the complete oxidation reduction reaction. Now, first and foremost, let us take a look at what oxidation is. Oxidation can be defined as removal of hydrogen from a substance. Now, if you take a look at this particular reaction, here hydrogen sulfide contains hydrogen, and hydrogen has been removed from hydrogen sulfide. Look at what you have here to give you sulfur. Now, hydrogen has been removed from hydrogen sulfide here. It means that the hydrogen sulfide has undergone the process of oxidation, because oxidation is the removal of hydrogen from the substance. Now, automatically, without going further, in a reduction and oxidation reaction, if two substances come to react and you have been able to identify the substance that has undergone the process of oxidation, it means the other species has undergone the process of what? Reduction. Now, this is what we have now. So, if you take a look at it, hydrogen has been removed from hydrogen sulfide. So, therefore, hydrogen sulfide now comes to form sulfur. It means hydrogen sulfide has undergone the process of oxidation, and the iron 3 chloride will undergo the process of reduction. But what I want us to understand is, in a redox reaction, the species that undergoes the oxidation is known as the reducing agent, while the species that undergoes reduction is known as the what? Oxidizing agent. Now, here we use the concept of removal of hydrogen to explain. I want to explain using the best and most concise method of defining oxidation by the process of electron gain and electron loss. Let us also use that method. Now, from what we have here now, take a look at sulfur. Sulfur here, let me calculate oxidation number of sulfur here. Hydrogen, oxidation number of hydrogen here is what? 1 times 2 hydrogen plus my sulfur, less sulfur is X. Since a neutral compound, that will be equal to 0. So 2 plus X is equal to 0. So it means that my X is equal to minus 2. So here the oxidation number of sulfur is, you have sulfur as X 2 minus. It has oxidation number of minus 2. But look at what we have in the product. In the product, I have X 0, because the oxidation number of a neutral atom is 0. So we see that from minus 2 to 0, decrease, here we have an increase. Oxidation can also be defined as an increase in oxidation number. Increase in oxidation number. So what I have here, you see that the sulfur from the hydrogen sulfide has undergone the process of oxidation, because oxidation number has increased from minus 2 to 0. Let us also take a look at iron 3 here. Here we have iron 3 other. If you look at what we have here, you see that the iron 3 will have Fe3 plus. But in the product, we have iron 2 to form iron 2, Fe2 plus. Permit me, here we have FeCl3 iron 3. Here we have FeCl2 iron 2. Now, what has happened? See what has happened in the reaction. In the reaction, look at iron 3. Iron 3 will be the one. Take a look at what happens here. You find out that here we have sulfur. The hydrogen sulfide, being the reducing agent, will undergo the process of oxidation, because its oxidation number will increase. Here we have minus 2. From minus 2 to 0, it means that when a species loses an electron, If a species loses an electron, its oxidation number increases. But if a species gains an electron, its oxidation number decreases. Now, you find out what happened here. During the reaction, this is what happened. So during the reaction, here we have sulfur X2 minus, and here we have X0. This is what has happened. During this reaction, the sulfur will donate 2 electrons. Now take a look at it. The sulfur will donate an electron. Remember, here we have two, here we have two. So let's assume that when sulfur donates an electron, it donates an electron, A minus. The electron that is being donated by sulfur is being taken by the ion tree. And when ion tree accept an electron, what happens is that it comes to form ion 2. So because we have two ions here, two electrons are given out. So the 2 electrons that is being given out is being taken by the two ion here. So we have two, look at it. So here, 2E minus. The E minus, the 2 electron lost by the sulfide ion is being taken up by the ion 3 ion, thereby forming ion 2. So that is the reaction. So in the reaction, you have X2 minus losing an electron, 2 electrons.